В общем, Настя приехала в Лиль, и мы пошли сегодня целый день гулять перед тем, как я поеду в Париж. И мы сейчас будем пробовать местные пирожные. She got a small... I don't even know how you call it. It's like a small cake.
I just open it.
I got like a cheesecake. She's opening it right now. Yes, so cute. I know. You'll try and you'll tell me how good was it. I didn't try it before. So we came to our school to take some pictures and just like to show Настя around. Now we're going to the city center, and then I have a few hours before my bus, and the weather is like so nice. And like this school looks so beautiful now. And we need to go to another building so I can just show you like other buildings. And for one, we took two with the bergamot and one with the raspberry. And now we're gonna try. How good is it? 10 out of 10.
Yes, I love it.
So we came to Paris, and I feel like it's not the best weekend to actually go to Paris. You can see some police officers behind my back, and I have like no idea what's going on. Maybe like the yellow vests again. But like it's pretty serious because you can actually feel something in the air, and it's like really hard to breathe. And like there are some screams behind my back, and like I have no idea what's happening. Yeah, and that's how I look when I look at the Eiffel Tower, because it's literally right there and it's beautiful, and you can see it's shiny just like 5 minutes every hour. And here we are, like a few minutes away from it. Unfortunately, it's gonna stop in like a few seconds, so we might come back later, next hour. We've been to the Eiffel Tower, then we've been to the Vietnamese place just to have our dinner at like 11 p.m. Now we're going back to the hotel, and then tomorrow we have breakfast, and then we have a walking tour at like 10. I look dead inside and outside, just like it's not cold, it's like in 29, like 30 degrees, which is like 60, no wait, like 80 in Fahrenheit, so it's not bad. Like wearing a blouse is like comfortable. Like a lot of drunk people though, and just like songs and just laughs are everywhere. I decided to like go to bed. To go. We have like 20 more minutes, and then it's almost an hour walk to the place where we meet with our tour group, and then we will have a tour for 3 more hours. And I'm just like, it's not like I'm tired, but at the same time I just want to be like, you know, in my room the whole day. And on the other hand, I know that hell yeah, like you're in Paris, you need to go, you need to explore outside of your room. I mean, it's wonderful, it's cozy, but still, I can I think I will add the link down below for this place. It's really nice, and the breakfast is fine. Not bad for Paris at all. Like, it's really close to the Eiffel Tower. And then we will go on a tour it's for like 3 hours. So I hope we will see like the most of attractions, if not everything. But like 3 hours for Paris, is it enough? Is it not? Don't know. My first time, not the last one. So yep, getting ready for the tour. So we had breakfast and now we're going on a tour. It will be for like 3 hours and together we need to walk for like an hour. That's why we're going in advance, but also like so we're on our way to the walking tour destination point where we all meet. This is like a simple neighborhood. I don't even know like which district is that, but like look at the statue behind me. Like this is such a different level from Lithuania or like Ukraine. This is like just a different style, different atmosphere. Everything is like so nice. And like, oh my god, there is like an Eiffel Tower. I don't know, can you see that? Like, whoa. I don't know. I feel like I'm so overwhelmed right now. With the umbrella is our tour guide for the walking tour. Yep. And we have like 10 more minutes.
So this is just whoever wants to. Because it's raining in Paris. So it's raining a little bit, we're changing our schedule a little bit, and I'm so glad I actually took this. It's so helpful. We're in a different line right now because we're going to this like popular restaurant which has like 5 out of 5 stars. Like the line is freaking huge. I thought it was like 2 different restaurants because like the line is big, and they're like, no, that's just one place. They just divide the line because it's too big for people to like, you know, go in, go out. I know we just ate, but like my big ass just like saw this place and I'm like, wow, that was good. Should I take it on the bus? This place reminds me a lot of the gallery that is located in Brussels, and it's like one of the most famous ones. This one is kind of smaller and emptier and it looks really not nice. The one in Brussels is amazing though. France is all about lines, that's why we're in a line again. And this is like 1/3 of a line. We're going to the Bank of France. So instead of traveling 4 hours, somehow we came early by 1 hour. So I'm in La Madeleine right now. Today is Monday, and this week I'm going to Munich. Yep, it was a fun time in Paris. Definitely come back again a bit later, maybe with Taylor, if you're listening to this. And then yes, have a good night.